Hello, everyone. Today is Monday, May 11th, and we are starting our 5th week of virtual learning. All right, so I'm just going to go over the assignments for this week. You're going to continue reading Walk Two Moons. So you're going to read chapters 35 to 39. I have a link here for the PDF of the chapters and the audiobook. And you also will have chapter questions that go along with this week's reading. So you can just click here for the assignment. I'm going to quickly briefly show you here on my screen. This is what it looks like. There are only 7 questions for 4 chapters, so it's not that much. So please do your best on these, and if you need any help with them, just let me know. And then we are going to be starting our next set of vocabulary words. So we're on set 6.12. There will be a link here when you guys get this. Click here for the assignment. And then I have a video here that I made that I go through the 12 words and the definitions. So you'll want to pause the video as I go through each of those. So that's this video here. Okay, so you'll want to watch that so I can teach you the words, and this is what the vocabulary set looks like. This will be in classwork as well. All right, and that's it for this week. So again, we're reading the book, we have chapter questions, and we also have vocabulary slides to get started. And then next week you will have a vocabulary quiz. So I have our study tools here, so you can start studying for that. And then I also built you guys a sample schedule down here to chunk everything up so you could do a little bit each day. All right, see me with questions. I hope you have a great week.